Welcome to my Odyssey today. So, I'm going to be reading Welie Risser's The Rainstorm Brainstorm, Chapter 1, and then Chapter 2 is tomorrow, and then we're going to keep going on like that. Thank you. Let's listen. The Rainstorm Brainstorm. For my dear friend, Okay, let's start. Birthday countdown. Tap, 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 tap. Kendall happily tapped with her hammer. She and Welie made a sign. It said, "Only 5 days until Aunt Miranda's birthday." "Aunt Miranda's birthday is coming," said Welie. "We'll have a party," said Ashlyn, her eyes sparkling. "Let's plan the party," said Kendall. She flipped open her notepad and held her pencil ready to write. "What kind of cake shall we have?" Kendall flipped to a new page in her notebook. "That shall we give Aunt Miranda for a birthday present?" she asked. I know, said Ashlyn. "Let's give her decorations for the garden so that it looks like there's a party here every day." Ashlyn sang of the two, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star." "Pretty decorations say it's a party every day." Welie had a different idea. Aunt Miranda loves animals, she said. The birthday present that she'd like best would be safe, cozy homes for the animals in the garden. Welie sang, "Homes for birds, squirrels, and skunks, made of wood or in tree trunks." "Homes for skunks?" said Emerson, wrinkling her nose. "No, the best present for Aunt Miranda is puppets." Pretended her hands were a puppet and a kitten puppet talking to each other, and she sang, "Puppy puppet says bow wow, kitty puppet says meow. Animal puppets are the only pretend," said Camille. "Aunt Miranda would like real animals, something fancy like a peacock or a dolphin," she sang. "Animals that swim and fly in the water in the sky." "I think Aunt Miranda would like something that she could use here in the garden," said Kendall. She sang, "How about a garden hose tied up with some pretty bows?" "I don't see how we could buy a hose," said Emerson. "Only old socks for free. We're going to stop there. Thank you. Bye."